Hello guys, Lac de Nisramont, Les Ardennes, Belgium. That's the starting location of this hike. This lake holds 3 million cubic meters of water. My adventure starts here. I followed the hiking trail along the shores of the lake and then upstream the river. After that I will return with my packraft. If you're new here, please do me a favor and consider subscribing. Thanks. And now, enjoy this hike. Follow the red squares, the trail on the ridge above the river. It goes through forest and over rocks, steep parts and beautiful views over the valley alternate. This path only shows untouched nature. This viewpoint, statue Avolare, you can see the two rivers flowing into the lake, l'Ourthe orientale et l'Ourthe occidentale. Hello dog. After walking about 5 kilometers, I arrive at this bridge. If you wish, you can follow the path around the two rivers and the lake to get back to the starting point. It's about 13 kilometers. But for me, the hike ends here. From here, I paddle back. So now I'm paddling back to where I started. First down the river, then the lake. Usually, I try to stay to the side. That gives me a good view of the rocks and other things along the water's edge. Okay, here we go. That looks like a beautiful place. All that melting water from uphill is seeping off the rocks. Despite the nice weather today, it's still freezing at night, and as you can see, a part of that plant is still frozen. Alright, enough looking around. Let's paddle on. Okay, this little adventure has come to an end. If you want to walk the walk yourself, there's a link in the description. If you enjoyed watching this video, give it a thumb. If you didn't already, subscribe this channel, and I hope I see you back.